Matapos malagdaan ang Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro, hinikayat naman ni Pangulong Aquino ang sambayanang Pilipino na suportahan ang naturang kasunduan dahil sa hatid nitong benepisyo hindi lamang para sa Mindanao, kundi para na din sa lahat ng Pilipino. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
Hinikayat ni Pangulo Aquino ang lahat na suportahan at maging positibo sa pinagtibay na Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro sa pagitan ng gobyerno at Moro Islamic Liberation Front.
We thus call on everyone to widen the avenues for trust and positive engagement. Let us cast aside past prejudices and contribute to the atmosphere of optimism that has, for the first time in a long while, become prevalent in Muslim Mindanao.
Inilathala ng palacio ang kasunduan upang makita ang kabuuan ng naturang peace agreement. Nakapaloob sa CAB na nilagdaan ang magkabilang panig mula sa Framework Agreement on the Bangsamoro, ang 4 na annexes, ang Transitional, Wealth at Power Sharing at Normalization, addendum ng Ceasefire Agreement of 1977 at Tripoli Agreement noong 2001.
We have published a scanned copy of the signed CAB and of the 12 other agreements between the government and the MILF. And the link is provided in the statement that will be sent to you. We invite everyone to take time to read the documents and to follow the statements being made by the members of the peace panels and government officials. Though yesterday's signing was a significant step, it is by no means the last. It is our hope that we move forward with confidence and without fear of the unknown.
Nakapaloob pa rin sa CAB ang batayan ng pagbalangkas ng Bangsamoro Basic Law para sa pagbuo ng bagong political entity kapalit ng ARMM. Tiwala naman ang palasyo na on track ang pagpapatupad nito hanggang 2016. Sinabi ito ni Valtes na nakatakdang pagsusumite ng Transition Committee kay Pangulo Aquino ng draft ng Bangsamoro Basic Law sa susunod na linggo.
We're still March 28. There's still time for that. I understand the Chair Iqbal did mention early this morning that the BTC already has a working draft, but it will have to undergo several processes of review within the BTC itself.
Okay. So you're confident that your initial statement of submitting it by June to Congress will still hold?
Yes, we are still sticking to that timetable, or
Okay,
to that timeline.
Gate pa ng palasyo, marami ang sumuporta sa Bangsamoro Peace Agreement maging ang mga taga-oposisyon, kaya tiwala rin ang palasyo na maipapasa ito bilang batas sa huling bahagi ng taon. Nauna nang sinabi ng palasyo na sesertipikahan ng Pangulo ang panukala bilang urgent.
We are cognizant of the challenges that are ahead of us, which is why the President also mentioned that there is still work that lies ahead. It does not end with the signing of the agreement yesterday, and we're ready to roll our sleeves up still to continue the work.
Bisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.